Hello people, welcome to this brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create exactly the same website like me or better. So I'm gonna show you how to create your very own website with AI technology in WordPress. First thing that we need to do is get hosting and a domain. So we're gonna sign up for Cloudways and I'll show you step by step how you start with Cloudways. Code Jared for the large discounts. Profile, we click my account, and when it's loaded, click on payment and addresses, and right over here you can update your payment details. So you need this to verify your hosting provider, so Cloudways knows that you're a client. Right over here, enter your address or location, and after doing that, you can add all your information right over here, your city and your state, if you don't want to provide your real information. But you must enter this. Right over here, you will be redirected at the payment and addresses. You need this to verify with Cloudways, so to start your hosting plan. Right over here, I click on Dashboard. I've already added a server, but I'm gonna show you how you add your own server. Click on Add Server, select Application, WordPress. In this case, WordPress is a system where you can manage and create your whole website. You only need Cloudways to run this on the cloud. Now we add our application and gonna install WordPress. So right over here, you can select your provider. For example, DigitalOcean. Okay, once we have done that, you can go to your WordPress dashboard. We are at the dashboard of WordPress. Now we are going to install the Astra theme. So this is your new WordPress dashboard. Click on Add Theme, and there it is. There is the Astra theme. Click on Details, Install, and activate it. Once you've activated it, we can install the IE Builder and the theme. We have successfully installed the Astra theme. Visit your website, and now it looks ugly. So we're gonna change that. Go back. And right over here, we are going to look at the theme. Click on Starter Templates. Okay, we're going to create a website with the EI Builder. Click on EI Builder. Let's get started for free. And welcome to Zip for my code to verify this. And when we have done that, you will be directed to Zip. So, okay, congratulations, you're just a move away from your first website or your second website. So, whatever you want, whatever it is, right over here, you search for my blog, type any content, for example, using EI, and it generates a lot of content for you, and you can paste it in, paste where your blog is about, and right over here, you hit your email address, your phone number, your address, doesn't matter what you fill in. I completely agree that you don't want to give all your information. So right over here, you can select a few images and they will be implemented in your blog or whatever site you're creating. I want to help you with creating your very own website and be up and running in no time. So I click on this image and I click on the other image, which I prefer. For example, this image. And right over here, I select another one and I'm gonna search for tag images. We will be done soon. Okay, I've selected my images. I hit continue and we wait. It will generate a lot of designs for us. That's really amazing because I want you to succeed in this business. I want you to see your website up and running. That's why I'm creating these tutorials for you. So a link to Zip is in the description. So it's generating everything for us and we just must wait. And right over now, it generates a lot of content for us, which is easy to use for a WordPress website. We are up and running in no time. We didn't have to use any coding. So when you click on this, you will import your site exactly the same like it looks right now. So I'm gonna click on this one because I like this one. We hit next and click on it. You can adjust the colors if you want. You can customize everything. So right over here, we are going to click on continue or select the blue template. I like the blue. Blue is my favorite color. So right over here, hit continue. And right over here, you can install integrations like plugins, start building. That's not necessary. And now this step is necessary. Sorry. So right over here, we are installing our website with EI. So you're going to be proud of yourself, because normally you go to a company and it costs a lot of money, but you're now up and running in 10 minutes. So the site is not live, and this is your website right now. Congratulations, you've just made it. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope I'll see you soon.